You've probably heard it before. The money is in the list. This is the single most important thing you can possibly do, is to have a quality email list. Trouble is, getting one is very difficult, very expensive. But my buddy has actually come up with a way for you to mail 500,000 people and get these completely for free. And I'm going to give you the perfect things to give to them so they can actually get them on your list, get them started buying stuff. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of Send Your Mails. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull on successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new, and by the way, if you're not new, well, you know by now what I'm going to say. My jokes, they're stale. I make dad jokes, even though I'm not a dad. Go figure. Anyhow, seriously. But if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money on my niche. And why is this such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. Let's make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, seriously, Bart. Seriously. It's getting annoying. Okay, you and that other guy keep switching off, right? Get some new lines. Can we please put together a fundraiser for Bart so he can get some new lines? What am I talking about, fundraiser? Bart, you got Simpsons money. Get some new lines. Anyhow. But seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip and ask the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, Liz also says the same thing every day, but at least she's nice about it, right? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Thanks to subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video. Comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Send Your Mails. Now, this is from my friend Dawood Islam. Now, Dawood is one of the most prolific product creators I know of. He does this constantly. Actually, whoops, this is the one we wanted to see. There we go. He does this constantly. He's constantly putting together new products, and this one is really cool. You know, he's done a lot of these things where he like will send emails on your behalf. This is different. This is where you actually will see where to do this on your own. You're going to be able to send to 500,000 people who are interested in the kind of products that you have to sell. You'll be able to send to them automatically and send them an offer to get them onto your email list, so you can start sending them products, sending them offers to buy stuff from you. It's really, really cool. Okay, now there's a couple of catches here, of course. You're not going to be able to just say, hey, get on my email list. People need a reason to get on your email list. They need something that is worth getting. So in order to help you out with that, I have a whole bunch of brand new products that I've never given away before. These are fresh. These are brand new. I just got them, and I'm going to let you sell these, give these away as a lead magnet, use them as a bonus, whatever you like. Okay, I believe there's 11 of them. Let me read them off to you real quick over here. So we have unlock your full potential. This is a really powerful thing. 8 things that will define your potential. Now, I know a lot of people don't like that. You know, the mindset stuff, it's really, really important stuff. It makes a huge difference. This one I love, embrace your weirdness. Being a little bit different is actually a skill, and it really is. It's so great. Simple productivity. This one is really important. If you're going to build a business, especially if you still have a job, you need to be able to budget your time. This is going to help you do it. Great. Speak with confidence. Very important to learn how to be able to speak publicly. And even if it's just a matter of speaking on a video, you need to be able to do that. This is going to help you with that. And by the way, again, you get to sell these. You get to give these away. You get to use these as a bonus, whatever you like, okay? You have full resale rights to these things, which is very, very rare. Usually you just get the personal rights where you can read it and that's about it, or watch it, that's about it. In this case, you get full rights to these products. Virtual networking success. This is going to help you to expand your network without any worry about having to go meet people in person. You can expand your network online. I've done this myself, and it's really, really powerful. The power of visualization, again, this is very, very powerful if you want to actually build a real business. I know a lot of people hate the mindset stuff, but this is super important. Okay, influential secrets. This is going to teach you how to become an influencer yourself so you can get other people to actually do what you want them to do and buy from you. All right, webinar mastery. This is where the real money is in online marketing. You run a webinar, you sell a product for a few $1,000s. That's where you bring in real money. Free Facebook traffic strategies. These work. I've done it myself. They bring in sales. Solo Ad Guru. This is probably the most important thing here. I would buy this just for the Solo Ad Guru if I didn't already have a copy, obviously, because I've spent thousands upon thousands of dollars on solo ads. A lot of them end up being a waste of money. This teaches you how to not waste that money, how to be able to make good use of solo ads. Build a huge list for free. Again, more tools beyond what Dad was going to teach you about for building lists for free and promoting affiliate products, how to do it right so that you can actually make real money, because there is a little bit of a trick to it. And if you don't do it right, you're not going to make anything. Okay, and then finally, business planning and strategies 101. All right, 75% of people who try to start a new business fail within the first year. That's just the reality. Most people try to start a new business, they don't succeed. Okay, if you want to be one of the few who does succeed, you want to read this guide. And again, I can't stress this enough, you get to give these away, sell them, use it as a bonus. Now, on top of all that, I'm also going to show you a secret hack that I found to make sure that the leads you get are the best quality leads. Okay, basically, what you're going to do with this is you're going to go ahead and clean your list with a free service that I found. You can actually clean your list so you remove all the crappy leads that are not going to be worth anything to you, because ultimately the higher your open rate, the more likely you are to inbox, and it kind of like feeds on itself. If more people are opening your emails, then Google says, oh, this is good stuff, let's keep sending more people to it. Okay, and they keep doing this again and again and again, and it really does make a huge difference. So you're going to want to make sure that you clean your list. I found a way to do it for free. Usually you can't. Okay, so let's see if I'm going to give the tip as the product creator or not.
You the man.
Seriously, you're the man. I love this. Grab this one. You're going to love it.